This is FelBeck Farms, and in today's video, guys, I'm going to take you through how I'm going to plant my cassava. This is a new variety of cassava sticks I've received, and this is the type that comes in a yellowish form. So the cassava grows and it has this yellowish color. I just want to, have a mixture of varieties of cassava, see how it grows and everything. So first and foremost, it is best I locate the nodes of the cassava stem. And when I talk of the nodes, I'm talking about the eye of the cassava stem. So before I cut them into pieces, I have to locate this small spot you see here. It's called the nodes, and that is where the germination will start from, or the sprouting of the leaves will start from. So guys, if you take a look at this particular stick, you can see that this one has already started germinating, and the nodes I was talking about, or the eye of the cassava stick, has already started sprouting or germinating. So that is what I'm talking about. So if I'm to cut this particular one into pieces, I'll make sure I do the cutting somewhere here, and that will give it a better opportunity for it to grow very faster. So I'm going to cut them into pieces. After cutting it like this, I make sure I have the nodes appearing just like this. So this is where the sprouting will take place. Yeah. You dig a small hole like this, just like the length of my finger, and then you look for the viable buds or the nodes of the cassava stem. And right after locating it, you make sure that aspect of the cassava stem comes up. Then you slant it into the hole. You slant it diagonally. It's not advisable to make it stand, so it's best you slant it diagonally like this. Then right after, you add the soil to it. This is how it's supposed to be. Yeah. So in the same way, in the hole, look for the nodes, the viable nodes of the cassava. So you turn it, you make sure that as that part of the cassava stem is facing upwards, then you slant it into the soil diagonally. Then you add the soil to it. So I'll add my soil. Make sure it has a loosened soil covering it. Yeah. And this is how I plant my cassava or my stem cuttings in my farm. Welcome to FelBeck Farms. Yeah.